Guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Athens, Greece, in Monastiraki Square. It is Thursday, August 31st, 11:30 at night. I got the Acropolis behind me. I got A is for Athens rooftop bars along with these rooftop bars over here. So I want to see how the crowds are this year compared to last year. So I'm going to take a walk around and see what's going on in the whole bar areas over this way. So let's go take a walk. So it's definitely pretty crowded out here at this late at night. I mean, it's not super late, it's like 11:30, but still a good amount of people out here. So I want to see how all these bars down these side streets are doing. So I was here last summer, just about exactly a year ago, and there was more than like 2 or 3 Latin Cuban kind of style bars out here. So I want to see if they're still out here and packed, or maybe there's even a few more. And so people are already lining up for some greasy late night food to soak up that alcohol. And I gotta admit, I had a few drinks myself, so I might need a mojito before I go home as well. So, but yeah, there's a lot of people out here. People are dancing in the street.
No.
Got the live Greek singers here. Let's go down this way. Oh, I'm already at Little Kook. I wonder if they expanded since last year. It seems every time I come here, they take over more and more of the storefronts in this area. Yeah, I don't know. It seems like there's more stuff here than last year. Yeah, there's definitely more stuff. I gotta look up my footage from last year and compare the two, but I'm pretty sure that they added a lot of stuff since last year. Okay, I think the Cuban bars were over here on the left, as well as a rock bar, I remember. Copyright strike from this music. Contraband, Havana Club. So, I think this place was here last year. Good day. Bandera. It's the Rock Club. Yeah. There's the Rock Club. What's the name of it? Cuba Libre, this was here last year, still pretty popular it looks like. And then there's a place down here that was really packed. Bar and Tapas. So, Greeks or tourists out here really like Cuba, Latin music, dance music kind of stuff. This place is not as packed as it was last year when I was here, it looks like. But still a decent crowd. So the inside looks like some old Cuban hotel or something. You got clothes hanging up here. And I guess this is the same bar, an extension of it. What is this? Is this new Beluga? So I'm back on the main street over here that goes past Monastiraki. And there's some bars and stuff on these side streets like over here. So like this little side alleyway has a bunch of bars. Looks pretty crowded. And there's little Kook again. Korean bibimbap bowl. I don't know what that is. I never heard of that, but we got a good crowd there. And you have this Athens Hall of Horrors. So guys, I'm back here. I circled around. I'm back in Monastiraki Square. And so that's a look at what's going on the last day of August in 2023. Still a lot of people out here late at night after 11:30 or so. So if you're thinking of coming out here, definitely come out. There's good crowds out here, and everybody seems to be having a good time. So hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.